So, hello, we are Incredibles. How are you both?
Yeah, good.
Today is our second last session.
Yeah.
So, how we are feeling. We are going to, anyway, let us start. I would like to say that whatever we have in this session, we are going to cover whatever we have done from day one, week 1 to week 4. Week 4, in fact, week 5, last activity, the crazy dreams vision. You have created your vision board and everything. We are going to combine. So, by combining all that, we are going to create a success blueprint for ourselves. You will create for yourselves. So, by doing all that, when I created my success blueprint, I realized that true success for me, true success is to give it, providing true inner happiness to the people by inspiring them, by empowering them to achieve their outcomes, and whatever I can do for that, whatever as much as value I can provide to them to achieve that, that will give me a feeling of success for me. For you also, we are going to do this activity this week. So in this activity, you will go through previous week, as I mentioned, and write down all the things they have achieved, you have achieved and discovered about yourself in this section. Outcome of this activity is to create your own unique success blueprint, so that you can use it to make your life even better, because everybody has different choices, different outcomes, different vision boards. You have created your vision board. So how's your experience till now? Please share your views about it, Himaji.
Yes, experience is amazing. I get more clarity, and day by day, I know how to change my shift, and I know how to use my baseline and use the e codes. I do practice my e codes every day, and I know what is the outcome and what this is my goal, and I know what this is, which this is a way, this is a system to achieve my all goals. I know how to use this system and achieve my desired goals, and we transform myself, and I want to found true happiness. That
Oh,
is my experience.
very nice, very nice. How's your experience, Nadimji?
Yeah. It was a very eye opener because a lot of things which I don't know, like when initially we have found out about our personalities, we came to know a lot of things about myself. Then when we have done the wheel of life, then I have seen some of the areas I never focused on. So I started focusing on that, and then uh, power leaps, then baselines. So everything when we've gone through, I really enjoyed the journey. And the last is the vision board. It was so beautiful. It was amazing. So to see my dreams, what I wanted to achieve. So when you said don't stop, wild imagination. So then I
Yeah,
enjoyed that. So really, it's a
true,
great
true.
program.
Very nice. So here, like in this success blueprint, we will follow few steps. I will just explain it to you. First step is we can, in the end, we can, on one paper, we can jot down all our baselines, e-codes, what outcomes we have decided, which will empower you to go ahead with your dreams. Okay. The second step will be, uh, you have to define your own success. What do you mean by success? And the third step will be to write final changes you must make to make yourself, to ensure you achieve the success you desire in life. So I will give you 20 minutes time to do the activity. You can take out, I have given you the printout for the week 4, and you can just jot down all your baselines, e codes, and everything, and write down these things, and we'll meet you after 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Welcome back, Himaji and Nadeemji.
Thank you.
So I believe you have done the entire exercise
Yes.
in the given. So I'm not going to repeat the baselines because we have already discussed on that. E-codes we have already discussed. Outcome and power leaves we have already discussed. And the 3-year and 5-year goal again. It is just a reminder for you guys. Uh, Now the next point is question is my support team is made up of following people. These people empower me to take action. So what is your support team, Hemaji?
My support team is my friends, my mastermind circle, and which I created at that people. They empower me and they support me and my family. No doubt, my family. That is my support team.
How about you, Nadimji?
Yeah, same. Like I have different support teams. When I do exercise, I have few people with whom they are my partners to exercise. We challenge each other. And same way, I have some role models in business. So
Mhm.
I hang out time with them and to have new business ideas. And obviously, the mastermind team, we are all there to. Uh, it's a lifelong journey for
Yes,
us.
yes, yes. And
Yes.
it's just a beginning. You will go through, you will meet new people, you
Yeah.
will create new masterminds,
Yes.
and you will really enjoy it, when you will get to know new people and new ideas will come up. You'll start enjoying the things, the
Hemaji,
process.
if I go down, you need to lift me up and in the
True.
journey of my life. Okay. So we had to help each other, right?
Yeah.
Definitely, definitely. So, what does success mean to you, Hemaji? And when do you know that you are successful? Uh, what is your definition of success?
Success, definition of successful, it means you true in a happiness, finding yourself, truly finding yourself. You help each other and you give us a something society. You do good work in society now, and whatever you do with the love, with the passionate, that and you will achieve whatever you want. That is my definition of success.
Very nice. How about you, Nadimji?
Yeah. Uh, for me, success is not the benchmark. For example, my goal is to create 100 gold medals for in the Olympics for India.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, but the journey which I'm actually enjoying.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
same way the wellness. So the more people I create champions in sports, the more wellness I give to the people.
Hmm.
Money
Right.
is not important. Money is also it's a part of the this thing, but the journey where I'm enjoying each and every moment, discovering new things,
Yeah.
giving love to people, and
Mm-hmm.
enjoying every moment of life and having a lot of fun. So that's what I feel success.
True, true. Very true, very true. So, next, like we are trying to find out what final changes we are going to make in ourselves. So, anything Nadimji, you can share anything else that needs to be changed that's left out.
Yeah, the more I see, the more little changes I need to do. So I
Mhm.
think I need to practice this, imbibe all the systems into my system. Okay,
Yes.
so that it will become. I don't need to read it. I don't need to memorize it. It has to be part of our mind. This thing. So I need to practice more and more.
Mm-hmm. And what new skills do you need to learn for this?
It's only practice. There's no new skills needed.
Okay.
Okay, I need to practice it, and I need to observe where I'm going wrong, where observe and try to change and move ahead.
Which part of your character needs to improve?
My character, and like commitment, what I'm doing. Sometimes, with lazy or something, I'm not doing it. So from now onwards, I need to work on my commitments. I don't
Correct.
need to miss anything in my life.
Mm-hmm. Himaji, you tell me, what do you think? What needs to be changed, which is left out till now?
Change is, yes, I need a more discipline in my life. That is, I want to really change in my laziness, and I will more discipline in my life. If I'm disciplined, I know I have a potential, but lack of discipline, I miss out so many things which I want.
Correct. And what new skills you will need to learn?
New skills, I really like learn to new skills and explore my things and acknowledge and wisdom I want, which I learn different things. So definitely it's going on process.
Yeah.
Right now you can't say ki whatever you learn and whatever you not, so this
Yeah.
is
Like
going on
for
process.
me, I feel I'm not a tech savvy, so I really need to learn about
Yeah,
technology
yeah,
a
yeah,
lot,
yeah.
So that's
I,
why I feel this analysis helps a lot,
yeah, yeah.
So which part of your character needs to improve?
Laziness, procrastination.
Mm,
I know, and one thing is change. I always, I know, I know handle everything. That is, I want to change my in character. Yeah.
okay, yeah, true. So
Yeah.
Nadeem ji, like
Yeah.
we all have, you all have done your e-course, but we made the vision board later. So based on vision board, do you think you need to develop some more e-course for your life?
E-course, huh? Yeah, the more I practice, the more I become expert in that. So
Mm-hmm.
maybe here and there we need to change as we go along.
Correct. How about you, Hemaji?
Yeah, same thing is I need I do more practice and but daily I do practice, but I want to my change totally think about it e-course. I in my mind I don't have a end codes, so it's totally imbues in my mind.
Correct. So how do you uh, get you feel excited and empowered by following this program, and how you
Yes,
use it to achieve success in future?
Yes, I'm really excited to empower myself day by day because I know what is a system. I know how to this system to achieve my goal and whatever I want. If I'm in a bad state, I know how to shift my state. So it is really empower me and excited. I'm not thinking ki I'm all time in a good and very good state, but I sometimes I'm in a average state, but I know how to change my shift
Correct.
after this coaching. And uh, mm, uh, after this coaching I know how to my mind think positive and met all my baseline met in my work. That is I empower. Yeah.
True. How about you, Nadeem ji? How it will make you excited and empowered to achieve your future goals?
Yeah, the more I am excited,
Mm-hmm.
the more I try to keep myself in the higher level,
Mm-hmm.
then I'm able to achieve. So when I go down, so I know how to shift my mood, how to shift my this thing. So through this
Correct.
system, I come to know all that. So I will practice that. The more I practice, quickly I come back to my higher level.
Correct. So your success blueprint page, as you see, it look like this. You have prepared. You can paste this paper like vision board everywhere, so that it will keep you reminding you, yes, this is your vision and how you have to achieve them. And continuously revision of this will help you in getting success in your whatever outcome you decide in future as well. So I wish you both all the best. Keep your spirit high. Pat yourself for being committed and doing
Yeah.
all the exercises on time. So I really appreciate your efforts and commitments for coming on a regular basis. And That's all I can say. If you would,
Thank you so much.
okay. See you then next. In the end, we'll just have party. Okay.
Right. Okay.
Yeah. See you next time. Bye bye.
Bye bye.